Yo, we're gonna make a pork stir fry. We got mushroom soy sauce, oyster sauce, the pork, the veggies. Bro, it's fucking raining again. I swear. Oil. Bro, it's raining again. I can't. What is this weather? Seriously. I don't care. We're cooking. Chuck the pork in. I think I might have made the pork slices a bit too big. Smaller pieces would have been easier, I think. But I think I'm doing fine. Let's put them to the side now. Add some oil. Barely got any heat on right now. I don't know how long to go. I think that's fine. Let's add the pork back in. Turn off the heat. Two tablespoons of oyster sauce. One tablespoon of soy sauce. I mean, it looks fucking amazing. What? Amazing.